Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of you are doing great and very fantastic. As you know that today is a very special day because the day is Jumma day. So which is in 7 days. This day is very special for those who are Muslims like us, right? So this day is very special because in this day we all just come together and we go to our nearest mosque and we perform our Jumma Salah together. And after Jumma Salah we exchange our heartiest love, right? And we also make dua for those who are suffering right now around the world, our Muslim brothers and sisters. And you should also make dua for them because of their suffering, right? So and another interesting thing is that in hadith this day is called Eid of the Four, which means this day is very special for those who are poor, right? So to God we are all poor, right? So that's why we try our best to wear a perfect, a good, a best dress to go to mosque. That's all for Jumma day, and I want to thanks all of those who are watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy this, please subscribe to our channel and like, comment and share this video. Assalamu alaikum.